Hello students, let's start Max NCERT chapter number 7 Jugs and Mugs. So chapter number 7 Jugs and Mugs, page number 69. Students, this chapter you have already studied in Max Magic class 3rd. Okay, so again we will see Bunny and Benno celebrate their wedding anniversary. Do you remember the wedding in Bunny's family last year? See Max Magic class 3rd, page number 153. Bunny and Benno decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding. So this year also they decided to have a party on their wedding anniversary. So they invited their family and friends. They made a special sweet dish, kheer. So they made a sweet dish called kheer, which is made up of rice, milk and sugar. All the animals came running, hopping and even crawling. Okay, some animals come by running, some by hopping and some by crawling. Page number 70. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. So elephant is a big animal. It will drink a 50 liters of kheer. Now the giraffe is drinking dash liter. So giraffe is also a big animal. So it can drink 30 liters. Then the cow is drinking dash liter. So the cow is drinking 15 liters. Then came the squirrel. She said, I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliters. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So the squirrel is asking that she can't able to drink full 1 liter. So she want only 500 milliliter. So the donkey asked, 500 milliliter of kheer, isn't that more than a liter? So your donkey is confused. Okay, 500 milliliter is more than a liter. The fox said, come on, don't behave like a donkey. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So 500 milliliter is half a liter. So no, 500 milliliter is not more than a liter. It is less than 1 liter. It is half liter. Now page number 71. The frog hopped along with 9 other friends. He said, oh, we only want 100 milliliters each. So total how many frogs are there? 10. Okay, here is your kheer, said the cat. While serving the kheer, she took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliters kheer in each glass. So the cat took how many glasses? 10. Okay, total 10 frogs are there. So each need 100 milliliters. So what the cat done? She took 10 glasses and in each glass she poured 100 milliliters of kheer. Now the donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 milliliter each, how much is that? So now donkey again it got confused. So asking, okay, 10 glasses of 100 milliliter each. So how much is that? So 10 glasses of 100 milliliter equal to what we will do? 10 multiplied by 100 milliliter. So what we will get? We will get 1000 milliliter. So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Now the fox got another chance to show off. He said, that is simple. 10 times 100 milliliter is dash milliliter equal to dash liter. So 10 times 100 milliliter is 1000 milliliter. We will multiply 10 multiply by 100. So we will get 1000 which is equal to 1 liter. So 10 times 100 milliliter equal to 10 multiplied by 100 milliliter. So we will get 1000 milliliters. So 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liter. So now you write it 10 multiplied by 100 milliliter equal to 1000 milliliter. Now look, a group of ants is marching here. The grasshopper said, the kheer is finished. Now what can we do? The cat said sadly. So the ants are now marching and the grasshopper looking at them and they are saying kheer is finished now. So what we will do? So for that the cat becomes sad. Now page number 72. Don't worry, they would not drink much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter because hands are very small. they can't able to drink more, so they will drink minimum 1 milliliter, that is all. I will share my kheer with them, the elephant said and wiped the cat's tear with his ear. How many are you all together? The elephant asked. Now elephant asking to ant, how many are you all together? We are only 1000, said the ants. Now ants replying that we are only 1000. The cat said, oh no, 1000. We have to give kheer to 1000 hands. Now the cat asking, oh no, 1000 means they have to give 1000 hands kheer. After thinking, the elephant said, no problem, I can manage. Each hand brings 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1000 hands drink. So each one ant will drink 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1000 ant will drink, 1000 multiplied by 1 milliliter equal to how much we will get? So 1000 hands drink, 1000 multiplied by 1 milliliter equal to dash milliliter. So as each hand drinks 1 milliliter of kheer, so 1000 hands drink equal to 1000 multiplied by 1 milliliter. So we will get 1000 ones a 1000. So we will get 1000 milliliter. So which is equal to 1 liter. Oh, they will need the same as the 10 frogs. Okay, 10 frogs will drink 1 liter, means each frogs will drink 100 milliliter. So, which is required for 1000 and also same 1 liter, said the donkey. All the ants drank the kheer. Everyone was happy. They sang and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. Now, page number 73. Who can have 1 liter kheer? So, do you like kheer? What do you call it at home? Yes, I like kheer. At home we call it kheer. Okay, at home also we will call it as a kheer. How much kheer can you have? So at a time we can drink. I can have only 200 ml of milliliter of kheer. We can drink only 200 to 250 milliliter of kheer. Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? So we can drink 1 liter of water at a one time? No, I cannot drink 1 liter water at one time. So I think I can drink 1 liter. Now the little kid is saying I can drink only 400 milliliter. Now the same page, the donkey is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter. Help him complete the chart. So this is a chart. We have to make it all milliliter which will come into equal 1 liter. Okay. So we want all should be in 1 liter. So here already they are given 250 milliliter. So we have to make it into 1 liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So when we will add these three, so we will get a 1000. So 250 is there. So we will write here 350. So 250 plus 350. So we will get 600. Then 600. Then how much is left? 1000 minus 600. So it is 400 milliliter. So now one time we will add 400 plus 350, that is 750. 750 plus 250, that is 1000 milliliter. So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Now this side is over. Now we will move to next. So here 200 milliliter is already given. So how much is left for 1000? So 1000 minus 200, so we will get 800. So we will write here 800 milliliter. So 800 plus 200, we will get 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 1 liter. Now here we will move. Now in this side all blank. So we have to make it in a 1000 milliliter. So first we will write 750 milliliter, then 150, then 100. So 750 plus 150, that is 900. Then 900 milliliter plus 100 milliliter, which comes 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 1 liter. Now here given 100 milliliter. So we will write in second 200 milliliter. So 100 plus 200, 300. Then again we will write 300. So 300 plus 300, 600. Then how much is left? That is 400. So which will make 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 1 liter. Now in this side already given 500 milliliter, 500 milliliter means 500 plus 500, that is 1000. So which is equal to 1 liter. Now here also full empty. So we will make it as a 450 milliliter plus 550 milliliter. So which is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So this way we have to complete the chart. Now page number 74. Look around. Look at these pictures. Now look for some other things we get in packets or bottles like this. Make your own list. So we have to write in a milliliter or liter. So we will take a milk. So milk is come in a liquid state. So it is a, we will measure it in a milliliter. Okay, so that is 500 milliliter. Then cold drinks will come in 1000 milliliter, or means in 1 liter bottle also we can get. Okay, so 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. Then Kisan drink, so we will get it in a milliliter, so 500 milliliter. Then tomato sauce, sauce also will come in milliliter, so 970 milliliter. Then high drop will come in milliliter. It is a small, okay, so it is 5 milliliter. Now cough syrup, so it is also come in a small bottle, so it might be 150 or 250 milliliter only. Okay, so we will take 100 milliliter. Then glue will come in 100 milliliter. Now my liter bottle, have you seen a 1 liter water bottle? Liter water bottle. So what we will try? Yes, I have seen water bottle of 1 liter. So collect a 1 liter bottle and some other small bottle. Guess how many times you have to pour from each of the small bottles to fill the liter bottle. So this is a one type of activity. So first you have to take a 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles. Okay. So which is of 100 milliliter, yeah, 200 milliliter. So you have to try that in how many times you can fill the 1 liter bottle with help of the small bottles. 25. Check if your guess is correct and fill the table. So bottles, my guess, my measure. So different bottles we have to first guess, then we have to write the measure. So bottle 1, 100 milliliter. We measure bottle 1 as a 100 milliliter. So correct measure 100 milliliter. Then bottle 2, it is, we will guess that is it is of 500 milliliter. So when we will measure, so same it is 500 milliliter. Then bottle 3, we guess that it is a 1 liter, but in measure it is 970 milliliter. Then bottle 4, we guess that it is of 2 liter. So same way in measure 2 liter. In bottle 5, 1.5 liter. So same way in measure 1.5 liter. Now look what Adityan is saying. I poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. So here is the 1 liter bottle, and in this hand he is having a small bottle. So he filled the bottle by pouring 2 times small bottle. So how much water does this small bottle hold? So how much bottle is of small bottle measure? So this small bottle holds 500 milliliter of water, because 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, so he poured water 2 times. So 2 times he will pour, so it will make a 1000 milliliter. So it will be a 500 milliliter of water. So first he will pour, so 500 milliliter water will come in the bottle. Then second time again he will pour, that will become a 1000 milliliter of water, which is equal to 1 liter. Now to fill the now Leela, to fill the 1 liter bottle, I need to pour water 5 times from my small bottle. Then how much water does Leela's bottle hold? So Leela's bottle hold 200 milliliter of water. How? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So Leela, pour how many times? 5 times from small bottle. So what we will do? So 1000 milliliter divided by 5. So we will get, so we will take the 2-digit 10. In 5 table when 10 will come, 5 to the 10. So 10 minus 10 we will get 0. Then remaining 2 zeros we will carry it down. So in quotient also we will write 2 zeros. So 200 milliliter of bottle she is having. So in 5 times, so first time she will fill, the bottle will measure first 200 milliliter. Then second time it will be 400. Then third time it will be 600. Then fourth time it will be 800. And fifth time it will be 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 1 liter. Now page number 75. Ramu's measuring bottle. Ramu got an empty 250 milliliter coconut oil bottle. Look at the picture and discuss what he did to make the big measuring bottle. So this is the 1 liter bottle and he got a 250 milliliter of empty coconut oil bottle. So how we will fill the 1 liter bottle with help of the 250 milliliter coconut oil bottle, that we have to write. So he took the 250 milliliter coconut bottle and fill it with water. So first time he is filling the bottle 250 milliliter of bottle with water. He then pours one bottle of watering in big bottle and mark the water level as 250 milliliter. So first he will pour the water. So he will mark the water level to 250 milliliter. Okay, so first he will mark. So here the water level will come to 250 milliliter. Then second he again pours one 250 milliliter bottle of water in big bottle and mark the water level as 500 milliliter. So again he will pour the 250 milliliter water. Then the water level will come to 500 milliliter. Then by pouring third 250 milliliter bottle of water in big bottle, he marks the water level as 750 milliliter. So again in third time he will pour 250 milliliter of water. So water level will come to 750 milliliter. Then after pouring 4 250 milliliter bottle of water in big bottle, he marked the water level as 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. So after fourth time when he will pour again 250 milliliter of water, so he will mark that is the bottle is filled with 1 liter of water. So this way he will fill the 1 liter bottle with help of coconut bottle, which is measured 250 milliliter. Now page number 76. My measuring bottle. Find your own way to make a bottle which can measure 200 milliliter, 400 milliliter, 600 milliliter, 800 milliliter and 1 liter. Discuss with your friends and teacher how you made this. So this is also type of activity. Okay, you have to take a different measures of bottles and you have to fill the 1 liter bottle. So here first we will see with the 200 milliliter bottle. Take a big bottle and small bottle measuring 200 milliliter. Then now fill the 200 milliliter bottle with water and pour entire water into the big bottle. Marks the water level in big bottle as 200 milliliter. So first we will get 200 milliliter of water in a big bottle. Then again fill the small bottle with water and pour the water in big bottle. Mark the water level as 400 milliliter in big bottle. So first we pour, that is 200 milliliter of water. Then second time it will increase to 400 milliliter in big bottle. Then third time again fill the water in a small bottle and pour into the big bottle. Mark the water level as 600 milliliter in big bottle. Now 400 plus 200, so it will increase to 600 milliliter in big bottle. Then again fill the water in 200 milliliter bottle and pour into the big bottle. Mark the water level as 800 milliliter in big bottle. Now 600 milliliter plus 200, so we will get 800 milliliter level water level in big bottle. Then again fill the water in 200 milliliter bottle and pour it into the big bottle. Mark the water level as 1000 milliliter or 1 liter in a big bottle. So now we will get in fifth time again we will pour 200 milliliter of water in a bottle. So it will water level will come into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 1 liter in big bottle. So this way we will measure the bottle. So this is of 200 milliliter I have shown here. So you can do with help of 400 milliliter, 600 milliliter or 800 milliliter to fill 1 liter bottle. Okay, this is a activity. So in this way you can prepare your own measuring bottle. Now same page, guess and check. Look at the buckets, mugs, glasses and other things in your house. Guess how much water each can hold. Check if your guess is right by using your measuring bottle. So first we will write our guess and then we will measure it is proper or not. So in our house we will find this small bucket, small mug, big mug, small glass and big glass. So first we will measure how much water it will hold. So first item is small bucket. So each is our guess. We are guessing it hold 5 liter of water. So when we will measure it is correct. It hold 5 liter of water. Then big bucket it can hold 10 liter. We are guessing. So same way when we will measure, but it hold 12 liter water. Then small mug. So when we will measure small mug, so we are thinking it can hold 250 milliliter of water. So same way in measurement also correct, 250 milliliter of water. Then in big mug, so it will hold a 1 liter of water. So when we will measure it coming 900 milliliter of water. Then in small glass, so we are thinking it can hold 250 milliliter, but in measure it is coming 200 milliliter of water. Then in big glass, we are thinking it will hold 500 milliliter. So in measure when we will do, so same way we will get 500 milliliter of water it will hold in big glass. Now next page, page number 77. Neetu in hospital. Neetu has to take 3 injection in a day for 5 days. Okay, 3 injection she has to take in a day for 5 days. For how many days? 5 days. How much medicine will she need for 1 day? So how much she will need? One injection gives 5 milliliter of the medicine to your body. So in Nitu's body, in one injection, 5 milliliter of medicine is going inside. So one injection contains 5 milliliter of medicine. So she has to take 3 injection a day. So she needs medicine 1 day equal to 5 milliliter multiplied by 3. 3 times she has to take, so we will multiply by 3. Means 15 milliliter of medicine she has to take in 1 day. Now next question, how much medicine in all for 5 days? So in 5 days total how much medicine she will take? In 1 day she is getting 15 milliliter of medicine. So in 5 days, so what we will do, 15 multiply by 5. So 15 5 is 75 milliliter of medicine she will take in 5 days. Now same page, how much do we use at a time? So high drops we will use less than 1 milliliter at a time. Okay, high drops doctors are saying okay, only one drop you have to put in a high. So that is less than a milliliter. So like this ways other things we have to write. So cough syrup. Cough syrup we will take 5 milliliter at a time. Okay, that cup measuring cup will come in cup syrup. Okay, so in that measure we will measure 5 milliliter, then we will take. Then tea we will take, we use about 40 milliliter at a time. Then milk we take about 100 milliliter at a time. Then water we drink about 250 milliliter at a time. Now next, list things we use more than 1 liter at a time. So more than a liter we have to write. So water for taking bath. Okay, we are taking bath, so that is a more than a liter. Then second, water for washing clothes, it's also require more water, so it is also more than a liter. Then water for flushing a toilet, it's also required more water. Then petrol to fill up the tank of a bike or a car, then water to wash kitchen utensils. Okay, so these all require more water, more than 1 liter. Now next page, page number 78. Practice time. Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 milliliter of water and her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. How much water is left in her bottle? So this we have to find. So total water holds in bottle equal to 1 liter. So the bottle is of 1 liter means that is 1000 milliliter. So here total water they drank. So water drunk by Amina plus water drunk by Govind. So Amina drank 250 milliliter and Govind drank 150 milliliter. So that is equal to 400 milliliter. Okay, so how much water is left? So what we will do, we will subtract water left in our bottle equal to 1000 milliliter minus 400 milliliter. So 1000 minus 400 we will get 600 milliliter. Students, here space is not there for writing the answer, so you can paste the page, okay, single page, and you can write the answer here. Now number 2, Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he used 20 milliliter of milk. Okay, for a glass of tea, he is using 20 milliliter of milk. Yesterday, he made 100 glasses of tea. Okay, yesterday, how many glasses he made? 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? So, for making one glass of tea, milk is used 20 milliliter. So, therefore, for making 100 glasses of tea, milk is used 20 milliliter multiplied by 100, so we will get 2000 milliliter. Now third question. Radha's grandma was ill. The doctor gave her a bottle with 200 milliliter of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. How many milliliter of medicine does she have to take every morning? So in 10 days, Radha's grandma has to take 200 milliliter of medicine. So in one day she has to take 200 milliliter. That means in for 10 days, what how we will find? We will divide 200 divided by 10. So in 10 table, when 20 will first we will take the 2 digit 20. In 10 to the 20. So 20 minus 20 we will get 0, and 1 0 we will carry down. So in quotient also we will write 0. So it will become 20. So she has to take 20 milliliter. So how many milliliter of medicine does she has to take every morning? She has to take 20 milliliter of medicine in every morning. Now page number 79, water. The table shows the water used in one day by a family of 5 people. They live in Godalur village. So activity, water in liters. So cooking and drinking they are using 30 liter. Washing clothes they are using 40 liter. Cleaning pots and pans they are using 20 liter. Bathing they are using 75 liter. Total water used by them. So how much water they used? So 30 plus 40, that is 70, 70 plus 20, that is 90, 90 plus 75, that is 165 liters. So total water used by them equal to 165 liter. Now how many liters of water does your family use in a day? Guess and fill in this table. So water used in buckets and water used in liters. So cooking and drinking, so we need 3 buckets, so 25 liters that will measure. Then washing clothes, need 6 buckets, that is 60 liters. Then cleaning pots and pans, 2 buckets, though that will be measured 15 liters. Then for bathing 5 buckets, so that will measure 50 liters. Then cleaning utensils 4 buckets, 35 liters. Then cleaning house will require 9 buckets, so that is 90 liters. If more members are there in our family, then the water then the number of buckets should be different, and measures of liters also different. Now drops and drops make an ocean. Is there any tap in your school or your home which is leaking? No, there is no tap in my school or in my home which is leaking. How much water do you think we waste through a leaking tap? So I think about 50 liters of water is wasted through a leaking tap every day. So place your liter jar below the leaking tap so as to catch all the drops in the bottle. Note the time. After 1 hour, check how much water is in the bottle. So in 1 hour, so we have to place a jar in the leaking tap. Okay. So we have to see after 1 hour in jar how much water is collected. So in 1 hour, water collected in bottle equal to 1 liter. Now page number 80. Find how much water is wasted in a day. So in a day how much water is wasted? So in 1 hour 1 liter water is wasted. So in a day there are how many hours? 24 hours. So water wasted equal to 1 liter multiplied by 24. So we will wasted 24 liter water in one day. So now we have to find out in a week. So in a week there are 7 days. So in one day 24 liter of water is wasted. So in 1 week equal to 7 days. So 24 liter we will multiply 24 liter multiply by 7. So we will get 7 4 the 28. So 8 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. So 7 2 the 14. 14 plus 2 that is 16. So 168 liter of water is wasted in a week. So now we have to find out in a month. So in one day 24 liter of water is wasted. So therefore in a month which has 30 days water wasted equal to 24 liter multiplied by 30. So we will get 720 liter. So now we have to find out in a year. So 30 multiplied by 24. So first 4 zeros are 0, then 4 threes are 12. Then we will write here 1 0, then 2 zeros are 0, then 2 threes are 6. So now we will add 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, then 1 plus 6 7. Means 720 liter of water wasted in a month. Then we have to find in a year. So water wasted in a month equal to 720 liter. So water wasted in 12 months. Months in a year there are 12 months. So 720 liter multiplied by 12. So we will get 2 zeros are 0. First we will multiply with 2. 2 zeros are 0. Then 2 twos are 4. Then 2 sevens are 14. Now we will multiply with 1. Before that we will write 0. So 1 zeros are 0. 1 twos are 2. And 1 sevens are 7. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 2 6. And 1 plus 7 8. So 8640 liters. Now, Chelanur village has a milk society. Geeta and Omni went there to buy 4 liters of milk. But the man could not find the 1 liter measure. He had only a 3 liter and a 5 liter bottle with him. But he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. Explain how he did this. Okay, so what milk will be measured in a liter. So these are the measurement cups. Okay, so here both girls Geeta and Omni went there to buy 4 liter of milk. They went to buy a 4 liter of milk. So the man is not getting the 1 liter of measurement cup. He is having only 3 liter and 5 liter. So now we have to give them 4 liter of milk. So how we will give? So at first the milkman will fill 5 liter bottle. What he will do? First he will fill the 5 liter bottle. Then now we pour its content in 3 liter bottle. So what he is having the 3 liter cup also. So he will pour 3 liter milk in the 3 liter measurement cup. Then the milk left in the 5 liter bottle will be 2 liter. So how much meter will left in now 5 liter bottle after he pour 3 liter milk in the 3 liter cup, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2 liter cup will be left in 2 liter milk will be left in the 5 liter cup. So he poured this 2 liter of milk into the bottle of Geeta. Now again he repeat the same process and again pours 2 liter of milk left in the 5 liter bottle into the bottle of Geeta. So again same way, first he will fill the 5 liter, then he will pour 3 liter in the 3 liter cup, then he will get the 2 liter and he will pour it to the Geeta's cup. So hence Geeta has 4 liter of milk in her bottle now. So she has now 4 liter of milk in her bottle. So in this way he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. Okay students, I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.